Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's episode, we're just going to be going over a pretty nice Mustang GT I got to do at the shop. It was tri-coat. Fucking show car Corey ever lay her down? Thanks to Andrew Prosick for his advice on the color. There's some trash in there after the buff is still not happy with my finish. It's gotta be a total fucking way. Make sure you guys tell Johnny boy there that I took the handle out of this one, eh? Dodge Challenger 2008 numbered car that the battery exploded on, and had to make it kind of look factory as it's a numbered car. Sometimes not the easiest thing to do. Then after that, simple stripe on a truck through work.
kidding. Oh, the build.
Then it was time for the weekend, and Dryden Roadrunners are putting on their annual car show, and we've been attending the Dryden Roadrunners car show for quite some time now, and they always like put on like a pretty deadly show for being a small town northwestern Ontario, and we always enjoy going. And a couple years ago we were actually lucky enough to win Best in Show and Best in Paint, which was very cool. So we keep going up and supporting them, and yeah, there's always really nice rides that come out every day. So we went and spent the weekend and flew up there for their scavenger hunt since it was COVID, and ripped up there with Terry Dulk and a guy named Ronnie Deschamps from town. Terry's pretty much my mentor, great dude, and Ronnie's a well-known car builder in town too that I respect a lot. So we teamed up with them and we ripped up for the day, and we had a blast, and me and my family had a good day with all those guys. So it was a great time. So check out this mint Dakota RT. I get to respray the hood on and fix a dent in the tailgate. And then we're gonna stencil this RT decal back on there too. It's pretty clean. Cool little project. This 03 Dakota RT 5.9. We're just touching up the bumpers for the customer. Rock chips, and he just wants it to be freshened up a little bit. Let's see, we got some stone chips, and they have the old lick and stick cal scoops on there that kind of ruined the paint when they took it off. So there's a couple of spots there. Touch that up. We're gonna put stencil in the RT logo and paint it on the tailgate, which is gonna be kind of sweet. We'll buff it so it's nice and flat. Fix that one little dent. Fixed all the stone chips in this front valence. It's actually funny, I haven't seen that old pink primer in a long time. I got that all smoothed out, 400. Brand new grill for it because this factory one is cracked. And here's the factory bumper that has some stone chips and we had a run on there we could see from the last guy who painted it. We're gonna fix that up. And yeah, just freshen up, kind of neat little project here. We're gonna take you along with it. And the bolts that we sandblasted, those, gonna clean them up. Pretty glossy. Clint's Dakota RT. Re-sprayed the bumper cover. So we put a new grill, aftermarket grill, took the bumper cover off, re-sprayed it, got rid of all the rock chips. Look at the shine in the hood. Thumbs up for shiny black. Pretty cool little fucking project for myself there. Tailgate is polished like a mirror. And we painted the RT on, which is cool. I hope he's happy with it. Needs a good wash, but hey guys, I got the Dakota all painted up. It's behind me here. I'm just taping it off. We're getting ready to polish all the whole body on the rest of it. I just want to tape off all the little seams and everything so I don't get polish in there. It just saves you a lot of time when you go to clean it up and a lot of headaches. Tape the handles off. Try and tape all seams off. Anywhere there's plastic. Looks like the hood's already done. Looks deadly. Grill, bumper. So just gotta tie the sides in. If it was me, I think I'd be smoking those side markers and the taillights. Just clean it up a little bit. And I'd probably do my calipers, but this customer will take good care of it, so it's a nice little project for us. Finishing up passenger side on this Dakota RT here. So she's ready for a wash. I think it looks pretty deadly. It looks like a mirror. You can see me as plain as day in there. Hi. Just do a quick walk around. It's shiny. She's nice. It's a no bullshit finish. All up close. Light. Just a couple little water spots, but I got her pretty shined out. Hope the customer is pleased with my work. I'll show you. This kind of sucks sometimes. See these ones. That's from a mechanic with the exhaust hose. Just driving the truck underneath it after I painted the hood. Always nice. But yeah, that's it. Give those a taste. These showed up all the way from California. And RR wheels. These are gonna be going on the chally. Woo. We gotta take them to a place in Thunder Bay to be powder coated black because COVID had all the black ones on back order. So stay tuned for that.